On the inside of your trunk, normally there would be a piece of hardware right here securing our trim plastic. Ours is missing. I'm going to go ahead and grab your trunk liner here. I'm going to pull this down. This should expose these pieces of hardware right here. I'm just going to use a pair of pliers. I'm going to gently twist these. And there's one up top here. At this point here, you can gently pull the tail light straight back and out of the vehicle. On the back side of the tail light, you have a main harness coming in. There's a little tab on the bottom here. Go ahead and lift up on this tab. Okay, wiggle the connector. Disconnect it from the tail light. Now your whole tail light is free. I'm going to take the connector, line it up with the tail light connector. Press it until you hear it click. We want to line up the studs on the back of the tail light with the holes in the body. Push that straight back and in. Go ahead and install the hardware. You want to snug those down. Bring your liner back into place. And if you have that piece of hardware here for your plastic trim, you can go ahead and install that.